Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Reset Phone. So here we've got the option we're looking for, Reset All Settings. So let's tap on it and tap on Reset. Your device is informing you that all settings will be reset and this operation cannot be undone, so be aware about that and tap on Reset if you're ready. Now we have to wait until everything will be reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.